Welcome to this section of Cloud Storage Solutions, where you will be introduced to cloud storage. At the end of this section, you will learn about the importance of cloud computing storage methodologies over traditional paper-based on-premises storage methodology. Without any delay, let's dive into the course. Now, let's get familiar with cloud storage. Cloud storage is considered as a cloud computing model. It enables the user to store data and files on the cloud-based storage system. This storage system can be considered as a warehouse where an organization can stock its resources. These resources can be accessed, shared, and implemented as per the needs and requirements of the organization or individual. The storage space is made available and accessible via a cloud computing service provider. The client can connect to the cloud storage service via a public or private cloud network. The cloud storage service provider is responsible for securely managing, storing, and maintaining the data storage servers and centers. The biggest advantage of cloud storage systems is that the users can access the data stored on the server from anywhere in the world and at any time. To access the data stored on a cloud server, the user connects to the cloud server via a public or private internet connection. If the user opts for a pay-per-use model, that is, subscription, for a cloud-based storage service, then the user is transferring the majority of aspects of data storage to the service provider to handle. These aspects include 1. Network data delivery. 2. Storage servers and computing resources. 3. Data availability. 4. Capacity. 5. Storage. Cloud storage is deemed the most efficient storage service because it is elastic in nature. This means you can either scale up, increase storage capacity, or scale down the storage capacity as per the client's storage requirement. Moreover, the client subscribes to the storage service and pays for the amount of storage capacity they require. For example, if the customer requires 100 gig of storage, then they pay €50. However, if in the following month, the user requires less storage space and decides to downscale the storage to 50 gig, then they would pay €25 for the cloud-based storage service. Implementing cloud storage services can offer various advantages to all users, which include 1. Cost effectiveness. Cloud storage eliminates the requirement of hardware to store and manage data. The storage capacity can be increased or reduced on demand. This also affects the cost of the storage model because it is directly proportional to the storage capacity. 2. Increased agility. The resources stored on the server are just a click away. Therefore, the time taken to access and implement the resources is decreased. 3. Efficient data management. Cloud storage enables performing powerful information management tasks, i.e., locking down data or automated tiering. It enables the organization to create multi-region or global storage servers. Data can be managed and organized regarding cost effectiveness, enforce security, and meet compliance requirements. 4. Virtually unlimited scalability. It offers the ability to scale up operations at an increasing rate. By eliminating the need for on-premises storage capacity, the organization can either scale up or down as per their requirements based on analytics, data lakes, or backups. 5. Business continuity. The data is stored in data security centers that promise stable data security. This protects the customer's data and ensures business continuity. What are the types of cloud storage? The cloud storage service can be divided into 3 different categories. These categories are as follows. 1. Object storage. A big organization would have massive amounts of data to deal with. This data is mainly unstructured and scattered and could include photos, videos, machine learning, sensor data, audio files, etc. Object storage provides the user with the opportunity to scale the rows of data efficiently and in affordable ways. The data is stored in a bucket rather than files and folders, which makes it inexpensive to store large amounts of data. 2. File storage. The data is stored in a hierarchical order in the form of files. This type of storage is also known as Network Attached Storage (NAS), with Server Message Block (SMB) protocol for Windows and Network File System (NFS) for Linux operating system. 3. Block storage. It includes databases or enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. This is an analogous method to access direct attached storage (DAS) or a storage area network (SAN). Data is stored in the form of blocks, and each block has a unique identifier. Now, let's move further and see the following crucial considerations that can help the organization decide according to its requirements. The following considerations also draw a comparison between on-premises and cloud-based storage facilities. Our first comparison is based on the cost and maintenance. For on-premises storage facilities, the organization needs to invest in hardware installation and hire an IT staff to maintain the infrastructure. Moreover, the company must invest in hardware upgrades and replacement equipment after regular intervals. Meanwhile, for cloud-based facilities, the organization does not have to invest hefty amounts into establishing an infrastructure. In addition to that, the maintenance of the cloud server is included in the monthly subscription fee. Moreover, the company does not need to hire IT staff to maintain the network infrastructure. On security and threat protection, the organization has to create a security monitoring and management plan for its data assets for the on-premises storage facility. This guarantees more control over data, but on the other hand, initiates additional costs for hiring a data security expert and setting up data protection measures. For cloud storage, cloud service providers have added additional security measures to safeguard the client's data. The service provider also appoints dedicated data security experts to enhance the data security measures. Moreover, the organization has time to focus on core operations. Considering scalability, for on-premises facilities, the organization needs to invest in physical tangible resources, such as new hardware, software updates, increased computing power, etc. However, this is not an easy task. While for cloud storage, the client can take advantage of the built-in features incorporated in the cloud platform. Therefore, the client has the opportunity to scale up temporarily to respond to a spike in operations. Talking about access, in case an office space requires physical presence that hardly turns into a work-from-home situation. In that case, an on-premise server cloud is the best choice. The team can work from anywhere in the world at any time in the case of cloud storage. Considering data backup, the organization prefers to store their data on location, as it provides them with the assurance that the data is safe and no third party can access or misuse the data. However, in case of a mishap, the organization might end up losing tons of crucial data, which can halt the company operations for days to come. While the cloud storage server provider guarantees many features to avoid data loss, some of these features could be built-in redundancy, failover, automatic backup, and regular data monitoring. This would also lead to shorter data recovery time in case of data loss.